AI background replacement uses artificial intelligence to automatically change the background in car photos. This technology isolates the car and places it against a new, more appealing background. Enhanced presentation. Clean, professional backgrounds make car photos more appealing. Consistency. Uniform backgrounds provide a consistent look across images. Time and cost efficiency. Automating background replacement saves time and reduces manual editing costs. Photo quality. Removing distracting backgrounds keeps the focus on the car. Branding. Various background options cater to different marketing needs. First, capture the car photo and feed it into the AI system. The system detects and isolates the car using machine learning models. The background is removed, leaving only the car. A new background is seamlessly integrated, ensuring shadows, reflections, and lighting are consistent. Finally, the image is ready for use. Easy360 enhances online car shopping with AI-driven tools. They provide 360-degree vehicle views, specialized photo studios, and AI background replacement integration. Their SpinSmart software optimizes 360-degree viewing experiences, and their 4K custom vehicle display offers ultra-high-definition imagery. Explore Easy360's offerings to enhance your vehicle presentation.